How to recover a deleted project in Capcut PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recover a deleted project in Capcut PC. First, go to the Capcut app. Make sure to log into your account to recover projects. Then, click the gear icon at the top and select Settings. Here, you can manage spaces you created. If you had enabled cloud backup for your projects, you might be able to recover them. If the project was recently deleted, check the trash section in Capcut. After that, select the project you want to recover and click on the Restore button. The project will be moved back to its original location. If you can't find the project in the trash, it may have been permanently deleted. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.